Hello, I'm Nupur, and right now in India it is 11:27 p.m. and I was writing something down, and this video is not at all planned. In fact, I'm sharing something which comes from the bottom of my heart, and I want anyone who is watching this right now, and if you're feeling alone, lonely, or sometimes when we feel like that we really don't fit in, I just want to share these little things that I've written. And these are 25 things which I learned from 25 years of my life, and I want to share them with you all, hoping that you will find them relatable. Number one, which I've written is that love yourself the way you are because there's no one like you in this whole big universe. Second is eat to your heart's content because there will come an age when you will consciously stop eating certain things and then you'll feel bad for not enjoying them fully. Third is no matter what happens with you in life, always choose positivity over negativity because positivity never harms us, but negativity always does. Fourth is that it is okay to say no, and sometimes saying no is as simple as that no. Then, fifth is old friends leave, they change, we grow apart. It's fine, just move ahead. Sixth is that your past will always feel heavy, but what will heavier is the cost of not living in the today's. Then, seventh one is whenever you find an opportunity to go out, always say yes. Yes, say yes to things. Then, eighth is wear your favorite clothes even on mundane days. You are special and you deserve a prince or princess treatment. Ninth is forgive yourself to forgive others. Always be easy on yourself. It's not always your fault or someone else's fault. Sometimes situations demand us to be presented ourselves in a certain way. So learn to forgive. 10th is love your parents. They love you the most. Start finding true love from the source you were born from. 11th is you'll get gray hairs. I have got them. And your body will start changing as you grow up. It's your job to accept yourself and your job to reject ideas who do not accept you. And 12th is the one greatest relation you will always have to work out and keep working out is the one that you have with yourself. Then 13th one is you will always be hurt when you'll expect a lot from others, but you'll be hurt 5 times more if you expect too much from yourself as well. So always be kind to yourself and easy on human relations. 14 is make time for things and people you love. They might never stay the same around you. Then 15th is compliment people. Everyone loves appreciation and start that from yourself. Then 16th is you deserve everything in life. Never listen to limiting thoughts of people or the voice inside you that says you cannot do it. 17 is saying something is so much better than never saying it at all. Then 18 is your smile is the most expensive gift you'll ever pass to someone. 19 is if you're good at something, show it to the world. You deserve appreciation for what you are good at. And 20 is your health is your biggest asset, never take it for granted. 21 sometimes bad experiences happen so we can actually value the good ones in our life. 22nd true love exists, it finds you at a very right time when you are busy doing things you love. 23rd life goes on whether you cherish it or not, always make a choice to live it fully. 24th is sometimes taking a U-turn actually helps in life. It meets you exactly where you're supposed to be. Extra miles prepare us for even better experiences. And the last one is, which I want to share with you all, is that no matter what happens, everything eventually gets better. If you are someone who cannot believe this right now, trust me, everything eventually gets better and it always gets the best. So live your best life, have a good experience, and I wish you a happy life to all of you.